Continuing with osteology MCQ 20-second series. Don't worry, all the questions are related to the topic which we have discussed in the previous video. So get set and go with your pen and paper. With the first question, lateral part of middle cranial fossa and posterior cranial are divided by. The answer is A, petrous temporal bone. Second question. All these questions have been taken from previous question papers. The year is mentioned. The answer is Foramen lesserum. Foramen magnum transmits all except our mnemonics will help you in remembering. And the answer is C, spinal cord. Structures passing through foramen spinosum is answer is B, middle meningeal artery. This question again is related to sutures. We have discussed suture in our previous video. Years. This is a very simple question. Answer is B, sphenoid. You must know that the questions will be repeated and it might not be directly repeated, but you should know the related topics will be repeated for sure. Answer is D. The type of suture represented by sagittal suture of the cranial vault is Answer is A, serrate. In a 5-year-old child, which of the following foramen is located in posterior cranial fossa? Simple question. Answer is D. You can always discuss with your friends and learn, and for any doubts, any queries, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.